a lot of my common like friends have, at least in our generation. And I think part of that might be because maybe they don't really understand beyond dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, all of these brain diseases that happen way later.
Right.
It's kind of hard to think about as humans the near-term consequences, and we kind of forego potential drastic events that could happen later on. Now, why is brain health so important for our overall health?
Right. Well, I like to tell people you don't have to have a breakdown to have a breakthrough. If lights would come on in your car, if your engine was going out, or you had this problem, and it's like taking black tape and putting it over those signals, because we get the signals, and what do? Let's say we're getting some cognitive decline, or stress is the thing that dysregulates the brain the quickest. And of course, we've all been under a great deal of stress in the last few years. But people think, oh, that's just normal. There's nothing I can do about it. Well, you can't do anything about the stress, but you can build capacity. And so it's not about being stress-free. It's about building up the capacity to handle that stress. Because there are people that thrive in a stress environment. Thinking about ADD, ADHD, that's actually a brain function, right? So people go, take this drug. Well, that drug isn't fixing their brain. In fact, there's been no study ever. It might help them perform better, or at least the symptoms diminish. But the reality is the brain is the most powerful pharmacy on earth, not the corner drugstore. And it's a brain wave problem. And we've proven that over and over again when we work with our clients in the studies we've done, that any brain at any age can improve. And the sooner you find it, one thing about cognitive decline, if you can do it sooner rather than later, you're better off. So, a little bit of prevention is better than a whole lot of maintenance later.
Sure.